So now this is going to be the first of probably a number of videos where I just look for something cool for about $1 on eBay and order it. Of course, it's going to be about $1. That includes shipping. It's going to take a while to get to you. These actually didn't take too bad. I think it was only like a week or two. But in any case, these are 1-watt LEDs. It's hard to see without a loupe, but there you can see a plus on the positive, the anode side. The cathode, or the negative side of the LED right there, has a dash, and it also has a hole over there, which is pretty easy to see even without magnification. So now there's no good way to limit current with voltage at all. If you apply voltage, these conduct pretty much freely. And so we're going to limit the current from the power supply. So right now it's a constant voltage because it's not providing any power. It's not providing any current. In fact, I'm going to turn the overhead lamp off before I connect this. So black alligator clip to the cathode, and the red one to the anode over there once I get a good connection. And there you can see we got current limited to 20 milliamps because that is the setting that I have it. And now we're going to come over here, and we can just go right up to 120 milliamps and even 220 milliamps right there. And you can see how bright the LED is. And we don't want to exceed somewhere about 300 milliamps. Let's go up to 300. And it's not even getting really all that much brighter anyways. Might as well just stay somewhere like 250. And before we wrap this up, I have a headlamp, which is a pretty bright light. We will compare really quickly, and there you can see how much brighter the headlamp is. So nowhere near the headlamp level, but still fairly bright. And remember that each one of these cost somewhere about 10 cents in the long run, because I got 13, I should have got 12, and it was like $1.30 or something total. So now I do have smaller baggies somewhere, but this was the first one I could find. I'm not going to put this directly with my other LEDs that I got here, because we just put a fair amount of current through here. I don't know if I should have gave it a heat sink to dissipate that much power or whatnot. But in any case, just in case it's not as good as the other one, I'm going to make sure it's in this bag so I know I've used it before. If I have a serious project at some point, I'll grab these, which haven't been tested with or anything else before. So, in any case, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check out one of the other ones that I'm posting on the screen, and check out the links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.